Hey, what's good and what's up? Your man here, Omar G, and today we're gonna talk about what is technical analysis. Okay, technical analysis. Okay, listen up. Technical analysis is basically, on my definition of understanding what it is that we are going to use using historical data such as chart pattern, average price movement, SNR, and etc. Okay, why are we going to use all these things is in order for you to start making your trading session, trading the decision. Okay, without you having all this kind of thing, you are going to enter the market blindly. Okay, it's like when you're going to enter market blindly, you are mostly are going to lose with the market. We know this market is not a very, what we call that thing, a very friendly market if you don't know them. So these kind of things, this all these things, this what we call this thing, this chart pattern, average price movement, SNR. Some people also using some indicator. There's like what we call it thing. There's a lot of fuse indicators out there and everything that people use, but mostly like for myself, I'm gonna use a very simple method that I'm going to teach you guys and explain to you guys more later on the next video upwards. Okay, so now you already know what is technical analysis. It's very simple. You are not going to mix these things with any fundamentals or whatsoever. Moving on, moving on next word. What is the best way to go with? Okay, first of all, how I always do with the market is that understand the market structure. Okay, what I mean by understand the market structure is that you need to know where is the market is going on, where is the direction. Okay, whether it's going for an uptrend or it's going for a downtrend, or maybe it's going for ranging a very slight movement. Okay, once you know where the market structure is, you need to know where is your price of interest. Okay, meaning of price of interest and entry zone is where you are going to use your SNR, which is your support and resistance level. Okay, once you get this price of interest and your entry zone, this support and resistance is where also is going to help you where to exit the market. Okay, also knowing what is the market structure helps you identify whether you should enter the market on buying or selling, or maybe you should even not even enter the trade at all. Okay, so this is the best way for you to go with and for you not to get stuck on your trading. Okay, sometimes also people happen to loss in market is because of they are lack of trading strategies. Okay, you don't have the trading strategies, is most likely you're going to burn yourself, burn your account. That is where you're going to lose the market. Okay, lose your account. So trading strategies is where you need to do first hand before you enter the market or even try to understand what is forex. Okay, so this is what a very simple way for me to explain to you guys what is market analysis. What is technical analysis? All right. Okay, moving on onwards. So how to get them all? Just like how I explained it previously just now. First, you need to know how is the market structure is. Whether is it uptrend or whether is it a downtrend. Once you identify this, you need to identify the level of support and resistance. Then only you start to set your target for the price of interest. What we call price of interest is where you want to entry your your trade. Once you know where is your price of interest for you, where to your entry is, then only you will start to find and identify and look for your exit level, which is your stop loss, or perhaps is where you want to take your profit. This is the thing what we call of exit level. Okay, it's not only your stop loss, it's also is where you want to take your profit. It's not like once you enter your market, like some people. Okay, once some people is like once they enter the market, they don't know where to exit the market. So they are sometimes most likely they're just gonna start and set your BE. Okay, break even. I mean like BE is good thing. Okay, but I mean like it is better for you to know where you exit your market. So at least with that you are not going to waste your time by monitoring the market over and over and over again. Okay guys, so that is the most very simple method that I can tell you guys what is technical analysis. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also follow me on my Instagram, my YouTube channel, and also my Telegram. I give out more educational videos and I give more on market analysis every day mostly. And also, I also give a pre-market analysis on my Telegram, also in my YouTube channel. Cheers, everyone. Hope you guys have a good day.